Cruikshank sending it forward for Yuri Smekel. Going to try to drive the net, forced around, threw it in front, and a great chance for Cruikshank. He is going to miss the net wide. He comes into the near slot and got a shot, and now we're going to get a scrap, and Boko Imama's got the mitts off. And it's going to be Matt Rempe, who he's going to tangle with. And Boko starts to let loose first with a couple of good ones. He's been waiting for a moment like this. Now he's getting shot in the back of the head. He's able to return one. Both guys still on their feet swinging. Rempe and Imama. Imama's lost his helmet now as he answers back with another, and he scores the takedown right at center ice. And kudos to my broadcast colleague, Alex Thomas, the voice of the Wolfpack. We were chatting before the game, and I told him that Boko Imama had basically complained to us last week that nobody would scrap him, and he points at number 32 on his roster sheet. And
Zach Ostapchuk, 2 for hooking at 18-14.
Here's a shot from Max Gannett, and he scores. A 4-on-4 goal has got things going as Max Gannett scores his second of the season and gets Belleville in front with a shot from the right circle. The puck attacking to my right, and they're going to get a chance right away, and they'll ping it off the crossbar. Now out of the box is Ostapchuk back the other way. Ostapchuk to the circle, and he gets a shot blockered away by Dylan Garand. 1 minute gone in the first. Here's a chance. They score. A terrible turnover right on the tape of Oren Cintazo. And he's got his first as a Senator and his first in the American Hockey League. What an atrocious giveaway from behind the net right to Oren Cintazo on the doorstep. Chuck, here's Yuri Smekel getting in with a shorthanded chance. Smekel looked to be hooked up, and there's no call. 2 seasons with the Newfoundland Growlers, again getting 15 games with the Marlies in Toronto last season. Here's a shot and a goal as Brennan Hoffman will cut the lead to 2-1. A power play marker has got the Wolfpack on the board tonight. It's a shove. Sen still able to move it around, but Hartford have it up high with a shot. Deflection, scores. Front of the net is Adam Sikora. Knocked down behind the net by Smekel. Skates to the corner, sends it in front. Rebound is there. They score! Angus Cruikshank bats it in. The Sens put the pressure on, and they get a fortunate bounce, of which they have not had many this season. And Angus Cruikshank knocks in his 6th of the season. It's a 2-point night for Angus Cruikshank and the Senators' goal-scoring leader. Along the boards, Sens able to get it back to Thompson at the point with a shot. Loose puck in front and off the post as Curry almost shoved it in to make it 4-2 on the power play. Lifted back out by Hartford to the point. There's a shot and a deflection, but it's wide of the goal. Shot stopped by Mandalese, who's staying on his knees and sliding post to post. He looks to be maybe hurt. Does Mandalese. Play continues with the Wolfpack on the offensive. Here's a shot. Mando makes the save. He'll cover up the rebound as well. To go. Brodzinski, left circle. Sends it down low. There's the backdoor pass, and they score. With 1:14 left, the Wolfpack working around. Level about trying to limit that. Here's Brodzinski charging in. He tries to stuff it, and Mandalese stands strong and makes the save. Now skates to the left side of the point. Gives it to Hollowell in the middle. 45 seconds left in overtime. Hollowell trying to drive in. They score.